Hello students, my name is Shoykot Dash. I am the instructor of your 2420 online X02 section. You need to know me first, that who is an instructor. I would like to tell you some of the important things that you need to know for the first couple of days. Those are the required things. So let me share my screen and discuss those things. So the first thing is the course name, Intro to Data Structure and Algorithms, 2420 X02 section. The required things that you need to know are: who is your professor? I already told you I'm the professor of this course and my name is Shoykot Dash. I'll show you where you can find the course syllabus. What is the Zybook? Uh, Zybook is the reading materials or the course materials, actually, the textbook. You need to purchase the subscription for this Zybook. I'll show you how you can get the access to Zybook and how the course works. So this is me. It is on the Timpanagas Peak back in, I think, 2023, whatever it is. You can call me either Dr. Dash or Professor Dash. I'm the assistant professor at Computer Science Department. I completed my PhD from University of Memphis. My research was on cybersecurity with machine learning. If you are interested with any of the research, feel free to reach me out. The important thing is like how you can reach me out, where you can find me. So this is the room number, Computer Science Building, Suite 520, room number D. You can find me there. Okay, this is me. I think I can best be described by my students. So these are the recent feedback from my students from the SRIs. Some of my students told me like I was flexible with the due dates if you asked nicely. I was really great at being merciful and answering questions, open to help students when needed, available and willing to help, helpful in class. So typically we don't have any in-person class, but I'm here to help you at any time. Explain how to do everything into detail. So I haven't changed anymore. Like for the last couple of years, I haven't changed too much. So these are the very recent comments. So you can find me the exact same person. I'm flexible, merciful in answering questions, so feel free to utilize me. Okay, how you can meet me, the preferred way of communication is the first one is the Canvas message. I prefer Canvas message is because I teach several courses and several section of each course in the semester. So it is really helpful for me to find you which course are you from, which section are you from the Canvas message. Otherwise, you need to uh, tell me explicitly that I am from this particular section or particular course. That's why I prefer the Canvas message. Second one, if you don't have the access to Canvas, you can email me to my email address. You can find that email address to the course syllabus, my first name dot last name uvu.edu. Whenever you're sending me those messages through the email, you need to write the course name and the section, is because otherwise I cannot find you where you're from. The third way of communication is meeting with me either in person. This is the room number that you can meet me, or virtual meeting via Microsoft Teams channel. These are my office hours, Tuesday and Thursday from 1 to 3 p.m. virtually, on virtual only. In Wednesday from 2 to 3, you could either meet me in person or virtually. In either way, you need to schedule a meeting before you stop by. The reason is if you're not scheduling a meeting, probably I'll be meeting with some other students. So it's better to schedule beforehand. Okay. How to schedule, I'll show you in a minute from the Canvas how you can schedule a meeting with me. I'll show you the syllabus from the Canvas. This is how the course works. You need to read the syllabus from the Canvas very carefully. Since it is a 3 credit hour course, you're expected to spend at least 9 hours per week completing course activities. It is better to uh, mark your calendar on those 9 hours for this particular course, that you're going to be spend those hours for this course. There are a lot of extra credit in this course. One of the extra credit is like meet with your professor thrice for Microsoft Teams. The very first one is on 26th of August at 1:30 p.m. So I'll show you the links and the schedules when to meet. And the learning curve for this course is progressive. Progressive means like if you are working with the second project without finishing the first project, you cannot complete it perfectly. Is because the learning curves are progressive. You need to learn one after another. So yeah, you cannot miss any reading materials or any part modules. So you need to uh, learn step by step. The helpful resources are the CS tutoring lab at 720, room number 720. You can find the IS there. I will let you know who is our new IA, who is the new, not the new actually. I'm saying new actually. The reason is I found an email recently that's new hire. That's I'm telling you is new, but whatever it is the IA of your course, but I don't know who is that person. As soon as I know, he or she will send you an announcement through the Canvas. I'll create a Microsoft Teams channel for this course. So regardless of any meeting with me, you can discuss anything with your course mates related to course definitely. In case I'm not answering those questions, probably your classmate can answer those things. You can find help from online, but do not use any code that you don't understand or describe. I might call individuals for code clarification if I suspect during the whole semester. So keep in mind, if you don't know what you are writing, do not submit it. If you're submitting anything, that means you know very well about the code. If you have any question at any time, feel free to send me messages to either Canvas or my email address, and I'll show you where you can find the booking page. Okay, so this is the Canvas homepage of this particular course, 2420 X02. You can see the syllabus link and instructor information page and all of those 8 modules throughout the 14 weeks. As I told you, that announcement is an important section of this course. That's because I try to post videos every week, or at least I try to post what are the required things that you need to finish for each week through the announcement section. So make sure you turn on the notification so that you can get notified as soon as I post an announcement. These are really important things. And then you can navigate the modules through the modules tab, or you can go through here. Either way is fine. Before going to the syllabus, I would like to go to the modules first, because you can find the syllabus in the modules there as well. The first module is the course orientation. You can find the syllabus, instructor information, and office hour booking page. So let me go to the office hour booking page before going to the syllabus. In the office hour booking page, it will open a booking page through either in person or online. As I told you, I'm available all 3 days for online meeting. When you click online, you can see the slot for all 3 days, and each of the slot is 15-minute slot. If you need more than 15 minutes, book consecutive slots. In person is only Wednesday from 2 to 3. So yeah, you need to select multiple slot if you need more times. You can find that information from the office or booking page. Now let me go to the syllabus page. In the syllabus, not this one. In the syllabus page, you can find my information, officer booking page, a preferred way of communication. This is the course description, course learning outcomes. The core prerequisites were 1400. You need to purchase the book, as because book is the required materials in this course, like a textbook. How you can access book? The textbook name is Introduction to Algorithms and Data Structure. Signing up is easy. Open the first reading assignment. So if you go to the modules page, first reading assignment is chapter 1 PA. And to go to this link, then click on the button open in Zybook. It will register your first name first time. If you're registered with the first time, you will be asked to provide the section which is like X02. Your student ID. If it asks for email, must provide the uvu.edu email address. And to subscribe, you need to pay 89 bucks for the textbook, lab, and project modules. Okay. Then how the course work? This is the online course. This is the regular grading distribution from 94 to 100A, 90 to 93 A minus, so on and so forth. And this is the percentage for assignments. Programmings are 50%. So there are programming projects here. You need to finish those things to get this point. One midterm and one final, each will carry 15%. Zybook activities 20%. Extra credit, basically 4%. 1% for SRI, 1% for meeting with your instructor 3 times, and 2% extra credit for some assignments. So there are like 104% you can achieve at most in this course. This is a very good thing, like 4% extra credit. Well, for the late policy, all work is due on 11:59 p.m. On its respective due dates. If it is due, this is 20% late penalty per day, at most 60%. That means after 2 days, there's no late penalty. That means, with that being said, you will get at most 60%. The last day of class is December 5th. You cannot submit any work after that day. These are the modules, 8 modules for reviewing Zybook and Bigo, recursion and search, sorting, linked list, stack queue, deck, trees, dictionaries, and hashing, graphs. So you'll find this information from Canvas. Some of the required things that you need to know, that the student responsibilities, you are responsible on your own learning since it is an online course. You are basically responsible for your own learning, but I'm here to help you at any time. My responsibility is to send you your responses within 1 business days. If multiple messages are received, I will try to send you an announcement. I'll try to provide timely and meaningful constructive feedback on assignments. But in case you're not getting feedback, feel free to reach me out. It is not good to get some bad points at the very end of the semester through the SRI that I haven't given you good feedback. But if you're not getting feedback at any time, poke me during the semester, but not at the very end. You're giving me the bad points. I'm here to help you. My SRI are not that bad. So, but I'm here to help you at any time. Okay, these are the policies. So at least for some academic integrity and plagiarism, cheating policies, I already have given those information. On my course, I have some special type of plagiarism policy. The policy is, if you are, let me see, yeah. Whenever you are submitting anything, make sure it is your work, regardless of anything. If you're getting any help from anywhere, I don't mind, but you are responsible on your own work. If I ask you to discuss your code, you are responsible to clarify your code. This is the important things. And you'll be, if you're caught, then probably you'll get 0 for that particular course, and we'll get 1 letter grade deduction at the very end of the semester of that particular course. And the second instance, you will get an E grade and throwing out from the uh, course. So I hope you'll not be that person, but I'm just giving you some hints beforehand in case of any issues. Always keep in mind that check the announcement once a week. I try to post an announcement early Monday of each week, unless it is a holiday. I'll post it on Tuesday. And I'm here to help you at any time. Feel free to utilize me, send me messages or emails. Look forward to meet you on 22nd, 26th, actually, 26th of August at 1:30 p.m. through the Microsoft Teams meeting. I will just send you the meeting link through the syllabus. So check the syllabus. Okay. Okay. That's all for the introduction video. Feel free to reach me out at any time. And welcome aboard in 2420. Happy learning.